After 35 years as a woodworking educator and professional cabinet maker, Mark Sommerfeld knows how to make your toughest cabinet making jobs easy. In the next few minutes, we're going to take a quick look at yet another of the fail-safe under $10 how-to DVDs in Mark's popular Made Easy series. Today's preview, Router Tables Made Easy. This informative DVD introduces Mark's new extruded aluminum router table, then guides you step by step through the process of building a handsome 10-drawer cabinet to hold it or virtually any router table. Mark created this DVD because he feels that most woodworkers would prefer to build their own cabinets and would appreciate the in-depth help and support provided by this program and its matching instructions and drawings. As you can see, it's roomy enough for all of your routing equipment, plus lots more too. So let's get started and sample what's in store for you in this in-depth 2-hour video. But first, let's take a minute to look at the massive premier-class router table that this cabinet was designed for. As you can see, it's big. At 36 inches by 27 inches with a 4-foot long fence, there's plenty of room and support here for working wide or long boards with ease. It assembles in minutes from 3 thick aluminum panels that are extruded right here in America by the folks at Alcoa. Their preformed tongue and groove edge joints self-align when bolted together to ensure that everything remains true in any environment or under heavy abuse. It comes with a huge 4 3/4 inch high fence that adjusts in and out fast by pivoting on a retractable spring-loaded pin, then locks on the opposite end with a threaded knob. You also get a 4-step dust port to fit virtually any sized hose, sub-fences that slide left and right for maximum workpiece support, 3 zero-clearance fence inserts that you can cut to match the profiles of the bits you use most often, and 3 interchangeable locking center insert rings. It's a complete, well-designed package that's large enough for your biggest tasks, easy to use, versatile, and as rugged as they come. But enough of that. Let's see more about how you'll build this router table cabinet. In your first step, you'll build the face frame for the cabinet. Mark's super strong, ultra-precise method of construction uses self-aligning tongue and groove joinery. It's created quickly and entirely on the router table. You'll be amazed when you see how simple Mark's system really is. You'll start by laying all of your parts out on the benchtop for marking. Then use a pocket hole jig to pre-drill your stiles and rails for quick, easy assembly. Next, you'll see how Mark uses a matched height tongue and groove router bit set and his ingenious easy set jig that lets you set your bit depths by simply dialing in the thickness of the stalk you're using. This completely eliminates all the hassles associated with multiple trial and error bit height setup attempts. Then you'll cut all the grooves in the back of your face frame pieces and in the stiles and top rails of your back and side panels, followed by the mating tongues on the edges of your floors, dust panels, and side panels. Once all the tongues and grooves are cut, you're ready to assemble the cabinet frame starting with the sides, then the center and lower floor panels, and finally the 3 vertical dust panels. To complete your frame assembly, you'll move your back panel into position, fabricate and attach some reinforcing corner glue blocks, and give the assembled frame a quick sanding. And there you have it, a completed sturdy cabinet frame, ready for its 10 drawers and inviting front door. Now let's move on to making your Dovetail drawer frames. For this job, Mark prefers Sommerfeld's own version of the amazing Katy Jig dovetailing system. That's because it works so easily and professionally on the router table. See for yourself. Just set the left-right stop, insert the drawer side, tighten the 2 giant wing nuts to secure the clamping bar, and you're ready to cut dovetails. You'll start by cutting the tails on both ends of your drawer sides, then complete the job by cutting the mating dovetail pins on each of your drawer fronts and backs. Then just slide the drawer bottom in, and you're ready to move on to building your cabinet door. Here again, Sommerfeld's Easy Set Jig will help you quickly set the height of your cope cutter without time-consuming guesswork. Begin by making your cope cuts for the door rails. Then switch bits and make your pattern cuts first on the rails, then on the stiles. To complete your door, use your panel raising bit to create the raised panel, then insert rubber panel iron strips into the grooves of the rails and stiles to allow the door panel to expand and contract within its frame without splitting. The final component to make is the drawer front. Just a few passes with an OG drawer front panel raiser and you're finished. Pretty nice, eh? Next, you'll mark and drill the holes for your drawer pulls. Sommerfeld's Easy Mark jig makes sure every pull is in exactly the same position. With screws temporarily holding the drawer front to your frame through your hardware mounting holes, install 2 screws through the back of the frame and into the front, then remove the front screws. All that's left is to mount your door, and once again, Mark will make this job easier. Just clamp his Easy Board jig into position on your door, then use your portable drill on the spring-loaded bits to bore the 3 holes for your bloom-concealed hinges. Tap the hinges into position and install the finished door on the cabinet, and there you have it. As handsome a router table and cabinet as you're likely to find, and you build it yourself. Thanks for watching this flash preview of Mark's step-by-step 2-hour DVD, Router Tables Made Easy. To order your own copy of this easy-to-follow DVD for only $9.90 with free shipping, or for more information about all 7 of the under $10 how-to DVDs in Mark's Made Easy series, plus a free copy of our 80-page catalog of woodworking tools and supplies, call us toll-free at 1-888-228-9268 or visit us at www.sommerfeldtools.com.